Welcome back to CEM Network. Today, we're spotlighting a true workhorse in the compaction world, the SAKAI Roller, model SV512D-1 from 2012. This model is a testament to SAKAI's commitment to durability and performance. With a weight of 10.5 tons and a rolling width of 2.13 meters, it's designed to deliver uniform compaction with every pass. The Perkins 1104C44TA engine, known for its reliability, powers this machine with a robust 90.5 kilowatts of energy, ensuring that no job is too big to handle. The SV512D series is renowned for its excellent traction and slope climbing ability, thanks to its well-balanced weight distribution. It's not just about power, it's also about precision. With a travel speed of 10 kilometers per hour and a frequency of 36.7 Hz, this roller can quickly move to the next site while providing the perfect compaction rate. So, if you're looking to take your construction projects to the next level, consider the SAKAI SV512D-1-40281. It's not just a machine, it's a reliable partner for your toughest jobs. Stay tuned to CEM Network for more insights into the best construction machinery out there. And remember, for quality, consistency, and performance, it's got to be SAKAI.